dia do Fórum de Ciência, Tecnologia e Inovação, uma mesa discutiu as questões energéticas e como abastecer o planeta através de recursos renováveis. Vou conversar agora com a diretora executiva da Agência do Meio Ambiente Europeia, Jacqueline McGlade. Jacqueline, what are the challenges faced in terms of renewable energy supply in a global scale, and how can we overcome these challenges?
One of the biggest challenges is to get the size of the energy production set in the right context to where you want to deliver it. It's no good having big expensive infrastructure if what you're trying to do is help people who are rather poor have access to energy on a slightly lower basis than in the cities. So it's about matching people's needs with the supply. So on a small farm you might simply want solar power, whereas in a small city you probably want proper infrastructure and grid technology and renewable energy such as solar panels on all of the houses put together as a grid to share energy.
In Europe, what's being done?
What we're doing in Europe, having set a target of 20% of all energy to come from renewables by 2020, is to really look at using the most appropriate indigenous sources. So wind energy, where there's a lot of wind, solar energy, where we have sunshine, hydropower, biomass, and really trying to put the lowest environmental impact as part of the criteria for choosing renewables. Also, we see that we have to shift the subsidies that are in the fossil fuel sector into renewables. And that's beginning to happen, and countries are beginning to think seriously how to make that shift and to, in the end, remove environmentally harmful subsidies.
Do you think it's possible to make it real in a short-term period?
Certainly in Europe we're doing it. We have a very, very limited lifetime in which we have to make that change. So literally by 2020 we have to have this done, and many countries are already on track. I think globally it's a very different matter. What would be a disaster would be to run out of fuel, like fossil fuel or oil, and then find that there's been no build-up of renewables to support it. So with a 9% decrease year on year in access to oil, we have to already be investing in renewable energy. Small scale, large scale, gridded, brought it in to every single household. That has to be the challenge we must now face.
Thank you, Jacqueline.
Thank you very much.
Ana Paula Chaim para a TV PUC.